All right, start the timer here. Okay, hi there. Yeah, I'm gonna walk through solving this SQL question. Let's see here. So firstly, the problem, given two different tables, and the executives of this company, they want to know they want to know some certain things. They want me to grab some information from these tables. And that's the highest earners for each department, and that's the top three highest paid people. Okay, so firstly, let's bring over a solution here. Okay, let's maximize. Okay, and so we'll start with the select clause. All right. Um, so I'm going to select the columns that I want to include in the result set. And then it's also worth noting that I'm selecting columns from both of the tables, which I'm able to do this because I will join them later on using the primary and foreign keys, uh, respectively. Okay, and let's see. Okay, and here I've chosen department as an alias to represent the department name for the department table. From the department table, and employee represents the employee name from the employee table, and salary is an alias from the employee salary from the employee table. These aliases, they're used to explicitly specify which table each column comes from, making the query unambiguous, which is important because they could potentially throw an error if we didn't do this. So we're making progress. All right. And then now in the from clause, here we specify the tables that we use. And here just using the employee table. And I'm doing employee as E. That's just another alias for simplicity in readability. And let's see. Okay. And then afterward, in the join clause, we introduce the department as D, another alias again for the same reasons that I just mentioned. Okay, and then we join them on this here. And here, the where clause, this is where we're going to create a query within a query, or a subquery. And so we'll go into this. I'm going to go into this in a little more detail. We use the here with the select statement for this subquery. We begin by counting distinct salaries. So distinct will make sure that we're counting only unique salaries, and then count, just that's a way to count the number of those. Okay, and then again from employee table, and then here this is our filtering condition, and we're using a logical operator and. This means both conditions must be met. And so this condition ensures that we compare salaries within the same department, and only those salaries greater than or equal to current employee salary that are so we want both considered. Okay, let's see. And the current employee just changes, its dynamic. That changes as the query goes through the different rows of the table, and then it uses that current employee to compare and make these filter choices, so to speak. Okay. And then we restrict the result to only include employees whose rank, as determined by the subquery here, is less than or equal to 3. So in other words, we select the top 3 high earners within each department based on the ranking calculated by the subquery. And then lastly, we need to order by, and because we want these spit out in the desired order. And so we do it by the department name, and that's a string or variable character. And so that will be in ascending order, essentially alphabetical order, and then salary is in ascending order. And so it's going to go with the highest salaries for each department and list those accordingly. And that's it. So now I'm going to stop the recording. Bear with me here. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Okay.